On this week's episode, Fudgy Protein Brownies. Ingredients: add 3 bananas to a bowl. Use a fork to mash the bananas. Add 3 heaped tablespoons of peanut butter. Add 3 scoops of protein powder. This is optional. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips and a teaspoon of protein powder. Add the chocolate chips to the brownie mixture. Place in a grease-lined baking tray. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes in a preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius. Allow to completely cool before cutting. Adding icing sugar to the brownie is optional. And that's it. Enjoy these easy-to-make, delicious, and healthy protein brownies. Thank you all for watching. Love you all, and God bless.